In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage task dependencies within your project management software efficiently. Understanding how to link tasks as predecessors or successors is crucial for keeping your project timeline clear and your workflow seamless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to identify and connect tasks in a way that ensures all team members are on the same page and the project moves forward without any hiccups. Let's start by opening the task you're currently working on. Navigating to your task list, click on the specific task you need to manage dependencies for. This action will open up the task details window. This central hub within your software provides you with a variety of options to customize and manage your task thoroughly. Once you're looking at the task details window, direct your attention to the area labeled Dependencies. Dependencies are crucial to understanding the order in which tasks need to be completed. They help prevent bottlenecks and ensure that resources are delegated efficiently. By using dependencies, you can adjust timelines and allocate resources in a way that optimizes your project's output. Click on the Dependencies tab, and this is where you can really start enhancing your task management. Here's the fun part. You now have the opportunity to link your current task to other tasks, specifically as a predecessor or a successor. If you're wondering what that means, let me break it down for you. A predecessor task is one that needs to be completed before the current task can begin, while a successor task is one that follows after the current task completion. To establish a link, you can either search for the specific task you want to connect with or select it from the list provided. Once you've identified the task you want to link to, go ahead and click on it. This action will create a connection and allow your project management tool to automatically adjust timelines based on this relationship. This is particularly useful when multiple tasks are interdependent, as it provides clarity and vision for the entire project lifecycle. Remember, managing dependencies effectively makes monitoring project progress much easier. You can immediately see if any bottlenecks might be forming and which tasks are ready for the team to tackle next. As you make these connections, take note of how it affects your overarching project timeline. Are any task dates shifting? Are there any potential obstacles the team needs to be aware of? Using this strategy can enhance your project management by keeping everyone on track and informed about the next steps. So, take a few moments to review your tasks and ensure everything is linked accurately. Mastering this aspect of your project tool will greatly aid in delivering your projects on time and with efficiency. Now that you know how to manage task dependencies, you can optimize your task management process to better align with your team's goals and timelines. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us in our next tutorial for more project